What if your 3D printer could print heavy-duty materials like Z-ULTRAT Plus with separate water-soluble support material designed to work with them? It's possible with the LPD Plus technology we have developed for Zortrax Inventure. High-temperature materials are difficult to 3D print with, yet resilient enough even for heavy-duty parts. Zortrax Inventure can handle them with ease and precision, allowing your prototypes to better serve their purpose. See what else the Zortrax Inventure 3D printer can do for you.